Hello friends, I welcome you all to our channel Board and Beyond. So friends, we have seen linear equations in two variables up to lecture number 2, right? So today we are going to have lecture number 3, in which we will be discussing about elimination method of solving linear equations in two variables, that is finding the value of x and y through elimination method, right friends? So let's get started. So I have taken down the question on the board. Okay, you can see this is one equation and this is another equation. Okay, this is equation in x and y, and we are expected to solve it through elimination method, right friends? So let's try to solve it. Okay, so solution. So what we will do is that we will open up the bracket, friends, right? So this becomes 2ax minus 2by plus a plus 4b is equal to 0. On the other hand, this becomes 2bx plus 2ay plus b minus 4a is equal to 0. Right friends? So now what do we do is that we'll basically now we need to eliminate either one variable, either of the variable, that is either x or y, right friends? So what we can do is that I will multiply this with b, this complete equation I will multiply with b, okay, and this complete equation I will multiply with a, right? Now let me tell you why I did this, right friends? So see, when I multiply this with b, this particular term will become 2abx, and here as this also will become 2abx, so that I will be able to cancel it out, right? So after multiplication, let us write this 2abx minus 2b square y plus ab plus 4b square is equal to 0, right friends? Let's manipulate it here. 2abx plus 2a square y plus ab minus 4a square is equal to 0, right? Now what I will do is that I will write this equation below this and then try to subtract it, right? So this is 2abx plus 2a square y plus ab minus 4a square is equal to 0, right? Now let us subtract the two equations to eliminate one. Minus, 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 plus. So what happens friends now? This gets cancelled, okay? At the same time, this also gets cancelled. So remaining is this 2a square y minus 2b square y plus 4a square plus 4a square plus 4b square is equal to 0, right? So now what I am going to do friends here is that I am going to take something common out here, okay? Let's take 2, or let's take minus 2 itself, and then I cannot take a, I can take only y. So remaining is a square plus b square, right friends? Plus I can take 4 common out here, remaining is a square plus b square, right? Now if I transpose this complete term on the other side, then this becomes 4a square plus b square, right, is equal to 2y a square plus b square. I hope everybody is able to understand this. Now this complete I can cancel it because this will go and get divided there, right friends? So 4 is equal to 2y. So y is equal to 2. Right? So we have got the value of y. Now to get the value of x, I can substitute this value of y in any one of the equation. Okay. So let me substitute it in this equation first. This equation, right? No problem. So I'll do it here, or we can substitute it here itself. Here, yeah. This will be little easier for us. So 2a y is equal to 2, right? So 2ab x plus 2a square y is equal to 2. So into 2 plus ab minus 4a square is equal to 0. So this becomes how much, my friend? 2ab x plus 2 into 2, that is nothing but 4a square, right? Plus ab minus 4a square is equal to 0. Now this and this gets cancelled, right? So remaining is I can write 2abx is equal to minus ab, right? I'm taking it on the other side. So x will be nothing but minus ab divided by 2ab. So this and this gets cancelled. So I get minus half. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. You got it? So the value of x and y, x is equal to minus half and y is equal to 2. Right, friends? So before we move forward, let me take down the next question. So friends, this is the second question. Okay, this is a special case, friends, where the coefficient of x and y are actually interchanged. Right? You can see here 47x plus 31y is equal to 63 and 31x plus 47y is equal to 15. Right? So coefficient is interchanged. So friends, in this type of scenarios, what we do is that let us try to solve it out. Right, friends? So we will try to subtract this ones and then add this ones, right? So this becomes how much, my friend? If I add this 2, this becomes, let me just add and write 78x plus 78y is equal to 78, right? Let us do a subtraction. What happens? This becomes 6 and 1, 16x plus this becomes, this will become minus now. Minus 16y is equal to, subtraction is 8 and then you have 5 and 4, right? Okay, right? So we get these two equations, right, friends? Now what we do is that we will try to basically solve it. Okay, so so we will try to divide it by 78, friends. So this also leads to how much, you know? X plus y is equal to 1. And how much this leads to? X minus y is equal to 3. I am dividing this throughout by 16 and I am dividing this throughout by 78, right? So now this becomes very easy for us to solve, right? When we add these two up, 2x is equal to 4, giving me x is equal to 2. That is one part of it, right? Placing x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Right? So, if the coefficients of x and y is interchanged, then you can basically solve it like this. Let me take down the next question now. Okay, friends. So, see, this is the next question which I have taken. Okay, just to give you a concept. Okay, whenever the variable is coming in the denominator, friends, at that point of time, please try to utilize the method which I am going to use as now. Okay, so. Let us assume 1 by x and 1 by y, some other variable, right? So let 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. Right? So this equation changed to how much? 2u plus 3v is equal to 13, and this equation gets changed to 5u minus 4v is equal to minus 2. You are getting my point? Now I will write this just below it and try to solve it. Right? Now I will try to eliminate any one of the variable here. So how do I eliminate? I will multiply this with 5 and this with 2. So I will multiply this with 5, okay friends, and this with 2. So this will give me 10u plus 15v is equal to 65, and this is 10u minus 8v is equal to minus 8, right? Sorry, minus 4. I'm so sorry, minus 4, right? Now we will try to subtract this, minus, plus and plus. So this cancels. This becomes how much? 23v is equal to how much? This becomes 69. So v is equal to 3. Okay. Now once we have got the v, then we can actually put it in any one of the equation. Let's put it here itself. So since it is already written here, so 5u minus 4 into 3 is equal to minus 2. So 5u is equal to minus 2 plus 12. So u is equal to 10 by 5, that is equal to 2. Right? So u is equal to 2 and v is equal to 3. So u is what? What did I assume? 1 by x. So 1 by x is equal to 2. So this tells that x is equal to, so 2x is equal to 1, so x is equal to half. Right? You are getting my point? I just multiplied it here, cross multiplication. Okay. Now x is equal to, that is so u is equal to 2, so that is how I got this. Right? Now let us put v is equal to 1 by y. V is equal to 1 by y. Okay, and v is equal to 3 is equal to 1 by y. Okay, so y is equal to 1 by 3. You got the method of solving it? Whenever the variables are coming in the denominator, friends, please use this method. Okay, but before using, just check the variables on both the equations, right? In both the equations, that is it is same, like 1 by x and 1 by y. If that is different, then we have a problem. So this y and this y should match, right friends? Let me take down the next problem now. Okay friends, so this is the next question which we have selected actually to give you the concept, right? So you can see here the denominator, that is this 2x plus 3y is same as this, and 3x minus 2y is same as this, right? So as we did it in the last problem, friends, so what we will do is that let 1 divided by 2x plus 3y is equal to u, and 1 divided by 3x minus 2y is equal to v, right? So this equation reduces to how much? This equation reduces to 1 by 2 into u, right, plus 12 by 7 into v is equal to half, right? So we can say this is after taking the LCM, right? This becomes how much, my friend? This becomes 14, right? So this becomes 7u and this becomes 24. V is equal to half. Okay. So now this becomes, so this we can cancel 7. So in other words, this is 7u plus 24v is equal to 7. This is our equation number 1. Okay, in u and v variable, right? Similarly, let us try solving it. This becomes 7u plus 4v, right, is equal to 2. This is pretty straightforward. Now we will try to bring this down here and then try to eliminate 1. When we subtract it, friends, this and this and this gets cancelled, and this becomes 20v is equal to 5. So v is equal to 1 by 4. For some time we will leave it as has it got covered? 1 second. V is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, right. Now we know that v. So what we will do is that we will substitute. I will do it here. Okay. So v is equal to 1 by 4. So I am placing it here. 7u plus 1 by 4 into 4 is equal to 2. Right. So this cancels. So 7u is equal to 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So u is equal to 1 by 7. You are getting my point? So we have got u and we have got v, correct? So what did we assume u as? 1 by 2x plus 3y is equal to how much? U is equal to 1 by 7. Right, friends? So when we cross multiply, this gives me 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, right? Like this. Similarly, let's take v. V is nothing but 1 by 3x minus 2y is equal to how much? V is equal to 1 by 4. Right, friends? So this gives me how much? 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. You are getting it? Now we will try to solve these two simultaneous linear equations, right? So what we will do is that, friends, this complete thing I will multiply with 3 and this complete thing I will multiply with 2. Right? So let's see what happens. This becomes 6x plus 9y is equal to 21. After multiplication, this becomes 6x minus 4y is equal to 8 after multiplication. Right, friends? Now let us try solving it. I'll just subtract it, this minus. So this gets cancelled and this becomes how much? 13y is equal to 13, giving me y is equal to 1. Now we have got one variable, y is equal to 1. Placing y is equal to 1 in any one of these, that is equal to 6x plus 9 is equal to 21, right? So 6x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 2. You got, my friends? So this is how you need to proceed and find the values of x and y, right? So let me take down the next problem now. Okay, friends. So see, the question which I have taken now is a little different kind of a problem, friends, right? Why? In the sense, this is equal to this is equal to this. There are three terms which has been given to us as this is equal to this is equal to this. Now how do we go about solving it, right? So let's try to solve it. So what we are going to do here is that we will consider this and this first and then formulate a linear equation in two variable, and then consider this and this first, this and this after that, and then try to formulate another linear equation in two variable. Then solve that two simultaneous linear equation in two variables and get the values of x and y. Right, friends? So let's start doing it. So first I am going to consider this and this. So I will do a cross multiplication. So 3x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 2x plus 4y minus 28. Right, friends? So what I am going to do that is I am going to take all the terms here So this becomes x because this becomes minus. So plus 3 minus 4, that is minus y. And this minus 24 plus 28, so plus 4 is equal to 0. Or we can say x minus y is equal to minus 4. This is my equation number 1 now. You are getting the point? Then I am going to consider this and this, friends. Okay? I'll just draw a small line here. So this becomes 11x plus 22y. I'm doing the cross multiplication, minus 154. Correct? 14 into 11 is 154. Okay? Is equal to 9x plus 3y. You are getting it? Minus 36. Right, friends? Now I am going to bring all the x terms here, all the terms. So this becomes 2x, right? And this is 22 minus 3, that is equal to plus 19y, right? And this is minus 154 plus 36. So this becomes how much? Minus, is it right? 118, right? Is equal to 0, right, friends? So this is nothing but 2x plus 19y is equal to 118. This is my equation number 2, right? So basically what we are going to do is that we are going to solve this and this. Okay, so let me do one thing, multiply this equation number 1 with 2 and then write the product directly here, right? So this becomes 2x minus 2y is equal to minus 8, right? Now we will try to subtract this, friends, this minus plus and this becomes plus now, right? So this gets cancelled and this becomes how much? 21y is equal to 126, right? So y is equal to how much, my friends? 6. So we have got the value of y. Now we can put the value of y in this and then get the value of x. So x minus y is equal to how much? Minus 4, right? But y is equal to 6. So x minus 6 is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to 2. This will become plus 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6 is the solution for me for this linear equation in two variable. This was little different kind, so we thought of taking it up. Let me write the next question now. Okay, friends. So this is the next question that we have selected here. Okay, again see, friends, the variables are there in the denominator and it is x plus y, x plus 2y here also and x plus 2y here also, 3x minus 2y here also and 3x minus 2y here also. So what we will do is that, as earlier, we will assume it. Let us say, let 1 by x plus 2y is equal to u and 1 divided by 3x minus 2y is equal to v, right? So our first equation changes to what, my friends? This becomes u by 2, that is half u, okay, plus 5v by 3 is equal to minus 3 by 2, right? And we will try to basically formulate the this thing, linear equation here. So I'll take LCM. LCM is 6. So this becomes 3u plus 10v is equal to minus 3 by 2, right? So see, what we can do is that this and this can get cancelled. This becomes 3, right? So 3 into 3 is minus 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. So what I can write, 3u plus 10v is equal to minus 9 is my equation number 1. Right, friends? This has come from here. Let's come this side. This is how much? 5u by 4, right, minus 3v by 5 is equal to 61 by 60. Right? This is what is given. Right? So let's take LCM here. LCM is 20. 5 into 5 is 25u. Right? Minus, this is 4, that is equal to 12v this is equal to 61 by 60, right? So we can very well cancel this and write 3 here, then multiply here. This becomes 75u minus 36v is equal to 61. This is my equation number 2, friends, right? So I have got equation number 1 and 2. So I need to at least cancel one of the variable here, friends. So 3 is here and 75 there. So 25, I need to multiply with 25, right? So I am going to multiply this complete equation with 25, right? So this becomes 75u and this becomes plus 250v is equal to 25 into 9. How much? 225. That is minus 225. Minus 2 to 5. Right, friends? So now what we do? Now we do subtraction, right? So this cancels and this becomes how much, my friend? Minus 286v, right? And this becomes how much? 6, 8 and 2, right? Yeah. So, and this with a plus sign. So v is equal to minus 1. You got it? So v is equal to minus 1. Now putting the value of v in any one of the equation, okay? So where it is a little let's put it here. So 3u, how much, friends? 3u minus 10, because v is minus 1, is equal to minus 9, okay? So 3u is equal to 1. So u is equal to 1 by 3. Hope this has got covered on the board. So yeah, let me write it here. U is equal to, so u is equal to 1 by 3 and v is equal to 1. This is what we have got till now. But we had made certain assumptions here, right? So for that I'll have to basically rub off something from the board. So I'll rub this part of the board, okay? So the assumption I made is 1 by, so u is equal to 1 by 3, right? That is nothing but 1 divided by x plus 2y is equal to 1 by 3, right, friends? Okay, so once I do cross multiplication, then x plus 2y is equal to 3 is my equation number 3 now, right? Similarly, going for v was equal to minus 1, right? I guess minus 1 it was? Yes, it was minus 1. Okay, so it is v is equal to 1 divided by 3x minus 2y, right? Which also gives us how much? Minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 3x minus 2y. So when I do a cross multiplication here, okay, so this becomes 2y minus 3x is equal to 1. You're getting my point? I'm just reversing the sign here. So this becomes my equation number 4. Now I will try to solve these two things first. Okay, so x plus 2y is equal to 3 and minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. Let me subtract it. This becomes plus, this minus and this minus. So this gets cancelled. This becomes 4x is equal to 2, right, friends? So x is equal to 1 by 2. So we have got the value of x. Now putting the value of x here, let me just write here. So x is equal to half plus 2y is equal to 3, right? So 2y, or we take LCM, no problem. That is 1 plus 4y is equal to 3. So 1 plus 4y is equal to 6. I'll basically do it here, I think, yeah. So 4y plus 1 is equal to 6 after doing the cross multiplication. So 4y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 by 4. Right? Okay. So we have got the value of y, friends, and we have got the value of x. So this is how you need to basically solve it in the examination, right? So with this we will close this session here, friends. So let's meet up in the next that is lecture number 4 on linear equations in two variables. Thank you so much for joining us. Okay, till the time we meet next, be healthy, be happy, keep learning with us, and if you find it worthwhile, please do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Thank you.